that our systems are designed is in sync with the way the world is designed. So how can I take different aspects of my life and just be more natural in the things that I do?
If we are bringing in a new system, let it come in the way of the natural resources and it integrates into the system over a period of time.
When you think about food or you think about any product, that product in isolation by itself really has very little value. The value comes from the experience that it creates. It comes from the outcomes as opposed to just the output. When you think about anything as a product, it means that you flip it over and think about it from multiple aspects. You're thinking about how it affects the individuals that you're trying to sell it to. You're thinking about those that are producing it. More than anything, you're asking the 5 W's, which is what is it? Why is this happening? Why am I doing it? Why am I eating it? What's in it? When would I consume it? When is this relevant? Where would I find it? And creating those feedback loops is really important because one, it saves you time, it saves you money, it keeps things small and manageable. It also makes sure that your product is localized and truly informed by the immediate audience that you're trying to work with.
The title they have been giving us since as Giant of Africa, and actually do things that are of that, that are becoming of that name. So much has changed, which is fantastic, but so much more can still change.